This video will guide you through the correct steps for installing the entire steering system, including hydraulic steering pump installation, steering cylinder installation, hydraulic hose routing and connections, installing the hydraulic steering pump. Refer to the provided dimensional template to determine the pump's mounting position. Align the pump with the pre-drilled holes and secure it in place. Install 4 washers and nuts onto the mounting bolts beneath the pump. After installation, apply lubricant evenly to the steering shaft threads. Mount the steering wheel onto the pump and tighten the retaining nut. Installation of hydraulic oil pump accessories. Install the steering pump components according to the instructions. Then tighten the accessory nuts after installation. Installing the hydraulic steering cylinder. Apply high-quality lubricant to the engine's tilt tube, threaded ends, and the cylinder's support rod. Insert the support rod into the engine's tilt tube. Install the cylinder assembly according to your engine's specific requirements. Insert and tighten the bolts connecting the engine and cylinder. Push the support rod fully into the tilt tube while connecting the cylinder's hydraulic shaft. Use a wrench to tighten the nuts on both the support rod and hydraulic shaft. Hydraulic line installation. Route hydraulic lines along the engine compartment toward the rudder assembly. Connect all hydraulic lines to the cylinder and secure with proper fittings. Pass lines through designated hole penetrations. Complete connections at the helm pump assembly. System priming and bleeding procedure. Recommended 2-person installation for this section. Connect the oil filling tube to the steering pump. Remove the oil container cap. Connect it to the oil tube and lift the container. Puncture a small hole at the bottom of the container with a pin. Allow oil to flow through the tube into the steering pump. Rotate the steering wheel clockwise to full lock. Open the rubber bleed cap on the right side of the rear steering cylinder. Loosen the bleed valve with a wrench. Wait for oil to discharge from the cylinder. During the filling process, keep the oil tube completely filled at all times. Ensure no air remains in the oil lines. Replace with a second oil container if necessary. While bleeding the cylinder, rotate the wheel counterclockwise. Continue until no air bubbles are visible. Tighten the bleed valve. Remove the tube and replace the bleed valve cap. Then rotate the wheel fully counterclockwise. Open the left bleed valve and repeat the procedure. After completing the bleeding process, turn the wheel lock to lock. Check all pump and cylinder connections for tightness. Inspect all connection points. Check all seals. Verify all components are leak-free.